Honor has introduced the Honor X9C, its latest evolution of the X9B. The X9C is the company's toughest phone yet, boasting a larger battery and 2 meters drop resistance. It's also scratch resistant and can operate in extreme temperatures from -30 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. The phone has been tested 3,000 times with steel wool. The Honor X9C is the toughest model, rated IP65M, providing 360 protection from water jets, making it the most durable among Honor's IP69 rated models. The X9B now has a 6,600 mAh battery, an 800 mAh increase from the 5,800 mAh of the X9B, and a 66-watt charging rating, providing nearly 26 hours of online video playback. The Honor X9C has a 6.78-inch curved OLED display with 1,220 by 2,700 pixels resolution and 10-bit colors. It features 3,840 Hz PWM dimming and a 108 megapixels camera with a 1.67 sensor, f1.75 lens, OIS, and 4K video recording. The front has a 16 megapixels selfie module with 108p video recording and a pill-shaped cutout, while the back has a 5 megapixels ultra-wide camera and a 16 megapixels selfie module. The 5G phone, powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1, has 3 memory configurations and runs on MagicOS 8.0 Android 14 out of the box. The device offers Wi-Fi 5 AC, Bluetooth 5.1, NFC, GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, and Beto, with stereo speakers with 300% volume boost, but lacks a 3.5mm jack.